this word problem is another Kitco company one. Your first step is to read the problem. The next Kitco product is matching necklaces. There's no fact in that, so that's not really important to the problem itself. Each necklace uses 120 beads. How many beads will be needed to produce 75 necklaces? So your first fact is 20 beads per necklace. Now your question. It is how many, that's a Y by the way, beads how many beads to make 75 necklaces. Now you move on to plan. You want to write down what units you want to end up with. And you want to end up with beads. And then you can do 120 beads per necklace times 75 necklaces. And when you multiply, the necklaces just disappear. Now you move on to solving the problem. You do 120 times 75. 0 times 5 is 0. Put that down there. Then 2 times 5 is 10. 1 times 5 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So you get 600 down there. Put your placeholder 0. 0 times 7 is 0. 2 times 7 is 14. 1 times 7 is 7, plus 1 is 8. You add them up. And you get 9,000.
9,000 what?
9,000 beads. And then that answers your question. How many beads to make 75 necklaces? 9,000 beads. That's a lot of beads. Now you check to see if that's the right answer. And to do that, you can flop them around. Is that right? What? Is that supposed to go there? Right.
Keep going. I'm not going to tell you. Keep going.
You get the same answer.
Okay, this time I want you to take your 0 out and do it without your 0 in there, the way that you learned in class. So you would take 120. So start again over by the check. Just go to the very end.
You would
Just show me that you know how to do that.
75.
No, 120
What? But checking is flopping them around.
times. This is a different way to multiply. No, 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 no. Keep your 0 out of it. You remember how Miss Pendleton taught you to do your not your 0, so cross through that and do it again.
I don't get it.
120. Okay, if you have a 0 on the end, there you go. Now, show me that you know how to do that.
2 and 5.
What do you do with your 0?
Bring it down.
Okay.
Where?
What do you tell me. How do you multiply with the 0 on the end? This is what you learned in class.
Just ignore it.
Okay, show me how to do it.
2 times 5 is 10. So 0, 1. 1 times 5 is 5 plus 1 is 6. What?
Keep going, baby.
All right. I just don't know if I'm doing it correctly. Put your 0 here. That's your placeholder 0.
What's next? Why are you looking at me? You're the teacher.
You add them up. You bring that 0 and it adds there.
That now wasn't that much easier
Mhm.
than doing 3 steps?
Mhm.
You only had 2.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good job.